question is, why should you stop here in Mason City? And the easy answer is to become educated about what you are about to see, and perhaps some things that you will not see, but you will learn about if you have the time and ability to see things in Mason City, particularly those associated with architecture. Hi everybody, welcome to Mason City. I'm Chip Kinsey, President of the Board of Directors of an organization called River City Society for Historic Preservation. That organization owns 2 buildings, and we're in the building called the Robert McCoy Architectural Interpretive Center. What is in the Architectural Interpretive Center is this. First, there is a history of Mason City, building the prairie, and then there are the individual houses of Rock Crest, Rock Glen in surrounding areas there that show you all the details related to that house. There's a model of the Rock Crest, Rock Glen as it was designed, and there is a indication by Marion Mahoney up above here as to what the plan was. And then as we go through the various places here in this, what we call the gallery, there's also a gift shop and of course a place where people can buy their tickets to take a tour of the Stockman House.
The Stockman House was built in 1908. It was designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, and it's one of the few middle-class homes that's open to the public for tours. Most of the structures that are open for tours are the larger, more expansive homes that Wright designed. So it's a little unusual to be able to tour a house like this and see how people lived in 1908 in a very modern house. It is the premier or very first of the Prairie School homes in this town that's full of Prairie School influence. So it's a good chance to see what things were like and what was new and modern in 1908.
The hotel, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, is an amazing matter that we had spent many years doing and has been open now since about 2012 and has been doing well until we hit the recent pandemic. But it is a place that people come from all over the world and have many times over to see this place, stay at the hotel, enjoy the things that are to offer in Mason City, including Rock Crest, Rock Glen, and including the Stockman House.